rank the planets from best to worst, I'm going to piss everybody off and say Pluto's the best, and that's going to really annoy everybody because it got demoted. So we'll have Pluto as the best one, because then we can have an argument about whether it's a planet or not. After that, then the Earth, surely, it's kind of an obvious thing to say, but obviously the Earth is the best because it's the place that we evolved on. It's the only place we know, not only in the solar system, but in the entire universe, for sure, that life exists. So it's clearly the best planet. Beyond that, if we're going to live anywhere else in the solar system on a planet, then it has to be Mars, because we can't live on Mercury because it's too hot or too cold. It's actually a strange place because it rotates very slowly around the sun. So anyway, it's not very nice, and it's small and hot and cold at the same time, depending on where you are. Venus is extremely hot enough to melt lead on the surface, sulfuric acid rain, 90 atmospheres pressure on the surface, so we're not living there. And all the others are made of gas, so we're not living on them either. So I'll go Pluto to annoy everybody, then Earth, Mars. And then it's interesting, so we have 2 missions at the moment on the way to Jupiter's moons, well, in particular Europa, which is a potential habitat for life. So I'd probably go Jupiter then because of its moons, but Saturn's moons are also interesting, particularly Titan, which is a planetary-sized moon, and Enceladus, which is a moon with liquid water below the surface as well. So I go for those. But if you ask me where would I send a space mission, where would be my #1 choice, then I would say probably Neptune, because Neptune has a wonderful moon. Actually, that's a photo of it, actually. So that's Neptune, and Triton, as taken by Voyager 2, which took this image when it's the only spacecraft ever to have gone out here. So I would go for Neptune. Uranus, Neptune, I would send missions to, because we've only had 1 mission to them. So there you go. But let's just be really annoying and say Pluto.